Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Spiritual Enlightening. This is a timeless general reading based on Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of July. It may or may not be resonate to every one of you. If it resonates, please hit the subscription button down below. So Pisces, let's see what are the messages you have. Okay. This one's For the past, you have Eight of Swords. For the present, you have Four of Wands. For the future, you have Ace of Pentacles. For the challenge, you have Five of Wands. And I will clarify all of them. It looks like good things are coming in your way. So good. Eight of Swords. Bottom of the deck is Star. Your reading looks like very much similar to the previous reading, maybe Cancer. So Pisces, for the challenge you have Five of Wands and it clarifies with Sun and Two of Cups. It looks like it is a testing period for you to need to work very hard to negotiate with your way out of an arguments or plans. A happy relationship and a promise such an engagement, a commitment is heading towards you. But you have to communicate perfectly to reach that agreement easily, right? There is a happiness, celebration and a fulfillment in these cards. You can use this time to create an even closer connection with your loved one. If you are a single, now is also the time to step out and let yourself shine. For the past, you have Eight of Swords and it clarified with Nine of Cups, Three of Pentacles and Star. In the recent past, you had someone in which you may be going through a rough patch, a relationship or a project is falling apart from you. You were dragging yourself from the emotional lethargy. You worked very hard to build up a connection again that the relationship felt like a wish fulfillment to you. You felt like your wishes were granted and you began to live the life you dreamed about. Some of you were in a separation, sorrow, pain and regret in the past. The star represent here that you are done with the past. You healed from a breakup and you were rebuilding yourself again. There was a lot of hope in love and romance and money towards the new. There was a lot of hope in love and romance and moving towards the new There was a lot of hope in love and romance and moving towards the new possibility. You have Four of Wands and it clarified with Six of Swords, King of Swords and Three of Cups. Right? What I said, what I told you, that celebration is coming your way and it is here. Three of Cups, Four of satisfied right now. Finally, harmony prevails and you are able to take time out now. That everything is in order. Adapt at solving your problems. You are now seeing the bigger picture while leaving others to work on the smaller issues. There may be an opportunity to travel abroad for vacation or a career purpose. A new opportunity, new beginning, and a new relationship is coming right now. A relationship moves up to a new level of commitment if you are in a relationship. It is a celebration time. There may be a growth celebration, family reunion, marriage, wedding. Happy times are there. Healing takes place, so you rejuvenate physically and emotionally. Right. For the future, you have Ace of Pentacles and it clarified with Magician, Page of Wands and Ten of Cups. It looks like financial gain in terms of getting and growing investments or unexpected gifts will coming in your way. And the page brings good news and predicts the several pressing matters will command your attention. There is some tensions or mentally illness is present in your future. Due to this celebration, you are burdening yourself. Don't do that. It represents your pure willpower. It's time to take action is now, and any signs of holding back would mean missing the opportunity of becoming the best version of yourself. Certain choices will have to be made, and these can bring great changes to you. It is an auspicious card for all the relationships, friends, families, and romantic partners. It reveals stability and enjoyment. Family reunion also, celebration, and you will enjoy the peace and harmony in all your relationships and in group activities too. Bonding and happy togetherness. There is celebration in present time and there is a celebration in your present time and this celebration is continuous in your future also. Look, sun, how many major arcana? Star, sun, 1 2 3, yeah, 3 star, sun, look, star, sun, magician. These are big cards and they have really big meanings, right? So celebrate your life and fulfill your desires and happiness. That's all for Pisces. I hope it resonates you well. Good changes, big opportunities are already in there and it continues forward in the present or to future also. So what you have to do? You have to subscribe my channel down below. Bye.